We have just released the new AI-Augmented Edge Finder in Edgewonk. So if you're like many of our users, you've been journaling all your trades, you're always doing the work, but you're now staring at charts, statistics and tags, and you're asking yourself, what am I supposed to do with all this? And that's exactly where the new AI-Augmented Edge Finder comes in. The Edge Finder is built on 10 years of analyzing thousands of trading journals. And we took the patterns that really matter, the ones that separates the profitable traders from the struggling ones, and we turned them into a feature that shows you exactly what's moving the needle and what's holding you back in your trading. Every Sunday, the Edge Finder runs a full scan, fully automated, of your trading journal, and it pulls out key insights. It shows you what's working, what's not, and where you should focus be next. And the best part, it gives you clear, actionable insights into your trading that you can use right away to make a difference. When your data reveals something important, whether it's an underperforming setup, a very strong custom statistic, an issue in your trade or risk management, or even specific trading times that need your attention, the Edge Finder will flag it right on your homepage for you. From here, you'll be taken to the Edge Finder tab, where all your insights are organized and explained. You will first see a set of high-level findings, each one focused on a different, carefully designed aspect of your trading strategy and your trading approach. And if you want to dig deeper, just click on it to uncover the metrics and patterns driving those results. So you don't just see what's happening in your trading, you also see why. If you don't see anything yet, no problem. The Edge Finder runs every Sunday, or it might just mean you're trading really well right now. Either way, you're in control and the Edge Finder has your back.